Understanding bye-bye, a friendly farewell in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase you've likely heard often but might not have thought much about. Bye-bye. This seemingly simple phrase is packed with cultural nuances and is a staple in English-speaking contexts. Whether you're a beginner in English or looking to polish your language skills, understanding the subtleties of such common expressions is key to sounding natural and fluent. So, let's explore bye-bye together. In this section, we explore the history and origin of bye-bye. This phrase has its roots in the early 18th century, evolving from the word goodbye. Interestingly, goodbye itself is a contraction of the phrase God be with ye, highlighting how language evolves over time. The repetition in bye-bye is a common linguistic tool used to convey a sense of informality and warmth. Bye-bye is more than just a way to end a conversation. It's often used in casual, friendly, or informal settings. It's a favorite among children and when speaking to children, but it's also used among adults in a light-hearted, affectionate manner. We'll look at various scenarios where bye-bye is appropriate, such as in casual meetups, when parting with friends, or even in informal business settings at times. Every phrase carries a cultural weight, and bye-bye is no exception. In this section, we discuss how bye-bye fits into different English-speaking cultures. For instance, in some cultures, it might be seen as too childish for adult use, while in others, it's perfectly acceptable among adults. We'll also touch upon variations like bye-bye or bye for now, which carry slightly different connotations. An essential aspect of saying bye-bye is not just the words, but how they are said. The accompanying body language and tone of voice play a crucial role in conveying the right emotion. A cheerful tone, often with a smile, and sometimes a waving hand gesture, reinforces the friendly nature of this farewell. While bye-bye is simple, there are still common pitfalls to avoid, especially for non-native speakers. Misunderstanding the informal nature of bye-bye can lead to its inappropriate use in formal or serious situations. This section provides tips on avoiding such missteps. I hope this exploration of bye-bye has been both informative and enjoyable. Remember, language is more than just words. It's about context, culture, and the way we use it to connect with others. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to use bye-bye in your next casual conversation. Bye-bye for now, and happy learning!